Hello, welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to solve this problem, height of binary tree. Problem is given a binary tree and we have to find its height. So here if it is like 1, 2, 3, so the height will be like 2 because this is the first level and this is the second level. Similarly, if it is like this, then the height will be 3. You don't need to read input or print. Okay, this is fine. This is daily thing. I'm just going to change it to Python 3, and here we have to, so the node is like data which is going to your value. Left will be your left node, which is here if it is 2, and then the right will be your right node. Okay, to solve this problem, let's do few things. First thing is, let's check if the current root is null. So if root is none, then what we can do is we can just return 0 because the current root is none. Else what we can do is we can just find out the left of length of or depth of left and right node. So right equal to, we can just recursively call our function height of root dot right, and left equal to height of root of left. So now we have left and right. And what we can do is we can just return what is maximum, that is which one is maximum, like if right is greater than left, then we can do is return right plus plus, or rather plus plus, else we can return left plus plus. Let's test this. Oops, okay, I think this will not work. We have to just write +1. What's wrong? Maximum depth exceeded. Because of that height issue, I removed lot of things. Okay, this is working. Shall we do it? Shall we submit it? I think we can now. Yeah, it worked. Great. Alright, see you tomorrow. Thank you.